Hi, how you guys going today? There's nothing worse than you're putting your boat in the water for the first time in the season, get it down the boat ramp, you got to turn the wheel and the steering's locked solid. So today we're going to look at what causes the steering system to seize on a mechanical system and how you go about replacing and finding a new cable. Let's take a look at it. Most common place for a steering cable to seize is where the cable runs through the tilt tube in here. It gets a build up of debris, salt, etc. and cause it to lock into place. You can reduce the chances of this happening by lubricating the cable and also cycling the steering every couple of weeks when you're not using the boat. But if it is seized, you can have a go at unseizing it, but it's never successful for long-term use. Okay, so the cable's seized and we need to replace it. So most cables have a marking, the length of the cable, somewhere in this area here. However, if you can't find that, you refer to promptparts.co.nz, how to measure a steering cable. There's instructions on there on how to do that, and we'll just run through that process now. So we measure from the centre of the helm to the gunnel of the boat. Basically got 18 inches there. Measure from that same line aft. We've got 8 foot, so we've got 9 foot 6 inches. For those in metric, we can convert that over. And measure from here to here. Gives us 2 foot, so we've got 11 foot and 6 inches. Right, let's just stop the video here. We've got our measurements. Now we've just got to work out what type of application we've got, whether it's tilt tube mounted or splash well mounted. One requires the addition of 6 inches to your measurements, one requires a subtraction. To make this easy for you, if you go to promptparts.co.nz, technical resources, how to measure a steering cable, we've got a handy dandy little calculator in there which will give you the cable length you need. Okay, so you've got your steering cable out, it's on the ground, there's no measurements, so what we can do here is measure from crimp to crimp and add 18 inches, round it up to the nearest foot. Again, to make it easier, go to promptparts.co.nz, technical resources, how to measure a steering cable, and you'll find our steering cable calculator will take you to the cable you need.